Good morning, students. Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my class. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve some different kinds of problem based on the volume and surface area of solids. Okay. So here, the first question is: two cubes have their volume in the ratio 1:27. What is the ratio of their surface area? There are two cubes and their volume are in the ratio 1:27. Two cubes have their volume have their volumes in the ratio 1:27. The ratio of their volume is 1:27. What is the ratio of their surface area? Okay, what is the ratio of their surface areas? Now see here, each side of the volume is not given, but their each side of the cube is not given, but their ratio of their volume is given. Okay, so from there we can draw one relation between the two sides of the cube, sides of the two cubes. Okay, so first the first cube is the small one. Okay, as you can see from the ratio, and the second cube is the big one. So this is the big cube and this is the small one. So let me take each side of the small cube as small a and each side of the big cube as capital A. Okay, so the length, breadth and height of the small cube is small a and the big cube is capital A. So this is the situation. So what is the question given here? Volume of small cube by volume of big cube is equals to 1/27. It is given in the question. Now volume of small cube is a cube, volume of big cube is capital A cube, and that is equals to 1/27. So it can be written as small a upon capital A whole cube is now 1/27 is also in the form of a cube. That is 1/27 can be written in the form of 1/3 whole cube. Now if we compare both LHS and RHS, what we are getting from here? We are getting small a upon capital A is 1/3. Okay, so we have got the relation between the side of small cube and the side of big cube. Now we have to find the surface area ratio of their surface area. So surface area of small cube upon surface area of big cube is 6a square upon 6 capital A square. As you know, the total surface area of a cube is 6 into side square. So it is 6a square upon 6 small a square upon 6 capital A square. Now we can cancel this 6. So it will be a square upon a square, that is small a square upon capital A square, and that can be written in the form of a upon capital A, that is small a upon capital A whole square. Here we know the relation between small a and capital A, that is a up, small a upon capital A is 1 upon 3, and here it is square of it, so it will be 1 upon 3 square, that is 1 upon 9. Therefore the surface area of small cube upon surface area of big cube is 1 upon 9. Therefore what is the ratio? Therefore ratio equals to 1:9 is the answer. This is the answer, and this is done in very simple method. Okay, hope you have understood the problem. Okay, let us move to one more question. It is given in the question, the diagonal of a cube measures 4√3 centimeter. Diagonal of a cube measures, the diagonal of a cube measures 4√3 centimeter. Find number 1 its volume, and number 2 its total surface area. Total surface area. So diagonal of the cube is given 4√3 centimeter. To calculate the volume and the total surface area, we have to find the length of each side of the cube. Now there is a relation between the diagonal of the cube and length of each side of the cube. And what is that? Diagonal of a cube is equals to √3 multiplied with side of the cube. Okay, so let us take each side of the cube as small a. Let small a be the length of each side of the cube. So what is the diagonal of the cube? So it will be √3 multiplied with a, and that is given as 4√3 centimeter. So we can say, according to the question, √3 multiplied with a is equal to 4 multiplied with √3. So a is equals to this, √3 will be cancelled from both sides, then a will be 4. Therefore length of each side equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, now we have to calculate the volume as well as the total surface area. Now what is the volume of a cube? Volume of a cube equals to side cube, that is a cube. We have assumed the length of each side of the cube as a, so volume of the cube is a cube, and that is equals to 4 cube centimeter cube. The length is in centimeter, so it will be 64 centimeter cube. This is the answer for the first question. Now for the second one, what is the total surface area? Total surface area is equals to 6 into side square. The total surface area of cube is given by the formula 6 multiplied with side square. That is equals to 6 multiplied with 4 square centimeter square. So 6 multiplied with 16 centimeter square, that is 96 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, so we have got the answer of both the questions, the volume and the total surface area. In this way, though the length of each side of the cube is not given, but we can calculate its length from the length of the diagonal. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now let us go for one more question. Three cubes of iron whose edges are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a big cube it is melted to form a big cube, that is single cube. What do we have to find? We have to find the edge of the new cube. Find the edge of the new cube so formed. Okay, so there are three cubes whose edges are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. All these three cubes are melted together to form a single big cube. We have to find the length of each side of that big cube. Okay, so let me show the situation in the form of diagram. This is one cube. One more cube is there. There are three cubes whose edges, suppose this is A1 is equals to 6 centimeter. The edge of the second cube A2 is 8 centimeter. The edge of the third cube A3 is 10 centimeter. And all these three cubes are melted to form a big cube. We don't know the length of each side of this big cube. Let it be capital A. So we have to find the length of each side of this big cube. That is, we have to find the value of capital A. Understood? So this is the situation. These three cubes are melted together to form a big cube. Okay. Now here is also a case of transformation of shape. Small cubes are melted to form a big cube, and during transformation of shape we all know the volume remain constant. So here the volume of all these three cubes will be same as the volume of the big cube. Understood? So I have taken the length of each side of the small cube as A1 equals to 6 centimeter. The second cube A2 is 8 centimeter and the third cube is A3 is 10 centimeter. So first of all, let me find the total volume of all these three cubes. Okay. Total volume of all the three cubes equals to A1 cube plus A2 cube plus A3 cube. Okay, we all know that volume of a cube is given by the formula side cube. Here the sides are A1, A2 and A3. So that is why the total volume will be A1 cube plus A2 cube plus A3 cube. Now what is A1? A1 is 6. So it will be 6 cube. This will be 8 cube and A3 is 10. So it will be 10 cube centimeter cube. All the units are in centimeter. So it is 216. It is 512 and this one is 1000 centimeter cube. So it is 1728 centimeter cube. Okay. Therefore, the total volume of all the three cube is 1728 centimeter cube. Now, this volume is same as the volume of the single cube so formed, the big one. So, volume of big cube so formed is also 1728 centimeter cube. Understood? Now, I have considered the length of each side of the big cube as capital A. So, the volume of the big cube will be A cube and that is equals to 1728. It is according to the question. Volume of the big cube, that is A cube, is equals to 1728 as calculated. Now, what is 1728 can also be written in the form of a cube. If you calculate, you will find that 1728 is the cube of 12. 12 cube is 1728. So from these two relations, we can say that A is equals to 12. That is length of each side of big cube so formed is equals to 12 centimeter. I hope you have found this some too easy for you. The method is also very easy. Okay, understood? Fine. So I hope this session you have enjoyed a lot, and I hope if any sum of this type is there in the exam paper, you can easily solve it. So let me conclude the class today. In the next class, we shall solve few more problems of different type from this chapter. Okay, till then you go on for practicing for few more sums from various sources are there. Many books are there, many exam papers of previous years are there. Just go on for practicing sums from there. Okay, so till then, goodbye and have a nice day.